kids. How was you all? We hope you are fine and good. Now today, what is the date today? 37. Subject is English. Standard is second. Medium is English medium. And page number is 41. Okay. Now yesterday we have completed the half part of the lesson number 4, Priya's dream. Yesterday we have completed हाफ पार्ट ऑफ द लेसन प्रियाज ड्रीम. मैम ने आपको हाफ पार्ट एक्सप्लेन किया था. ओके, टुडे वी कंप्लीट द लेसन ऑफ अदर पार्ट. ओके, सो दिस इज द पार्ट 2 एंड चैप्टर नंबर 4, प्रियाज ड्रीम. सो हु इज द प्रिया? What is the girl name? Priya. Priya always wake up late in the morning. She late for everything, है ना. First she late for school, then her whole day she late for everything. उसका बर्थडे आ रहा है ना. She was very late. Now today we learn about the half part. Okay. Open the page number kids 40 and 41 in your book. Okay, first is 40. Now in 40 the page number second paragraph is there. It was the time to cut the cake, है ना. Her friends came, सब उसके friends आ गए ना प्रिया के. Yes, then it was time to cut the cake. Her father will be late. Her mother called. उसके father क्या लेके आने वाले थे? Yes, her father take a cake of a Mickey Mouse cake. So Priya was very excited to cut the cake. So her mother called Priya's father, है ना. But her father was late. Her father will be late. Let's cut the cake now. प्रिया उसकी मम्मा ने बोला, प्रिया let's cut the cake now. Your father will be late. Okay. So her eyes filled with tears. फिर से वो रोने लगी. उसकी आँख में आंसू आ गए, है ना. उसके पापा नहीं. अगर आपकी बर्थडे है, आप बर्थडे केक कट करोगे तो आपके पापा नहीं होगे तो आपको बैड फील होगा ना. सो सेम हर आइज फिल्ड विथ टीयर्स अगेन. फिर से वो रोने लगी. सी अंडरस्टैंड. अभी उसको समझ में आया. सी अंडरस्टैंड दैट हर बर्थडे वॉज स्पॉइल्ड. हर बर्थडे वॉज स्पॉइल्ड मतलब स्पॉइल्ड मीन्स वो बैड हो गया. उसका बर्थडे स्पॉइल हो गया. देन बिकॉज एवरीथिंग वॉज लेट, है ना. टेलर ने उसका फ्रॉक भी नहीं रेडी किया था. राइट. द सर्वेंट डिड नॉट डेकोरेट द रूम प्रॉपरली, है ना. सो सी अंडरस्टैंड कि मॉर्निंग से अभी तक मेरा सब कुछ लेट हुआ है. सो हर बर्थडे वॉज स्पॉइल बिकॉज एवरीथिंग वॉज लेट. प्रिया गेट अप डियर. देन नेक्स्ट डे उसकी मम्मा ने उठाया. प्रिया गेट अप डियर. उठो बेटा. इट्स योर बर्थडे. टुडे इज़ योर बर्थडे. हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर. हर मदर विश प्रिया हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर प्रिया. सेड हर मदर टू हर. जैसे आपका भी बर्थडे होता है तो वो फर्स्ट विश यू योर मदर और फादर, है ना. सो प्रिया गेट अप and her mother wish her happy birthday dear, said her mother. She asked her mother, am I late again? वो उसकी मामा से पूछने लगी, am I late again? मैं आज फिर से लेट उठी हूँ, है ना. Then her mother says, no dear, get ready now. तुम लेट नहीं हो, you are in time. Get ready now. अभी रेडी हो जाओ, है ना. She reached school in time. On her birthday, she get up early in the morning, है ना. And she reached in school time. स्कूल में टाइम पे पहुँच गई. Dress was ready. Her red silk dress was ready. Room was decorated properly. Yes. On her birthday, the room was decorated with balloons, strings and flowers. Okay, so room was decorated. Father came early. Her father came early with how's the cake? Yes, Mickey Mouse cake. Her father came early with a Mickey Mouse cake. All friends in time. All friends come in time at 5 o'clock, है ना. The party's time was 5 o'clock. So all Priya's all friends come in a time. Then Priya blew the candles. उसने candles को blew किया and on the cake. Everyone clapped and sang a song. Priya was very happy. She blew the candles and cut the cake. So and everyone clapped and sang a song. When your birthday, you cut the cake. Everyone clap their hands and sang a song. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear Priya. है ना? So everyone, her friends, grandfather, grandmother, her father, mother, everyone was happy and Priya was very happy. So everyone sang a happy birthday song. Then they all ate the cake. Priya cut the cake and all ate the cake. The sandwiches और क्या क्या पार्टी में था? The sandwiches, pastries and the patties and the lemonade, है ना? So everyone eat sandwich, pastries and the patties and drink the lemonade, lemon juice. After they played, then Priya and her all friends eat this all things and drink the lemon juice, and after that they play together with her friends and enjoy the party, play the games. Priya really enjoy herself. Priya enjoy her birthday very much. Now then see, after that her party was over, she told her mother, उसने अपनी मम्मी को बताया about her dream. क्या बताया उसने? About her dream. उसको क्या आया था? Dream. What is our lesson name? Priya's dream. Okay. So her dream, उसने अपने dream के बारे में बताया अपनी मम्मा को. Mother, from today onwards I will be in time. Okay, from today onwards I will be on time. I will wake up early in the morning, go to school in the morning in time. Okay, early in time. Mother hugged her. Mother hugged Priya and said, Priya, you are a wonderful child. Okay kids, so this is the Priya's dream. What is the Priya's dream? वो क्या करती थी? सब मॉर्निंग में लेट उठती थी, है ना? So for everything about a late wake up. So kids, you always wake up early in the morning, so you never be late in any things. Okay kids, now we do the hard words. Okay kids, now we move to the hard words and missing letter. In this chapter lesson, there are many new words which you don't understand properly. Okay, so I explain you the meaning of these words, hard words and new letters, and this is the meaning which is given in your book at last. जो पेज नंबर होता है ना, उसके नीचे आपको हार्ड मीनिंग्स उसके दिए हुए, बट आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू. नाउ दिस इज द हार्ड वर्ड्स. Kids, this is hard words you have to write 5 times in your worksheet and in your notebook also. Okay, now what is the first hard words? Excited. What is the spelling of the excited? Excited. Speak with me kids. Excited. कोई भी चीज़ के लिए आप एक्साइटेड होते हैं ना, उसको एक्साइटेड बोलते हैं. जैसे आपको वेट करते हो ना, उस जैसे आपकी बर्थडे आती है तो आप उसकी आपके लिए गिफ्ट कोई लेके आएगा तो आप क्या होगे उसके लिए? एक्साइटेड होगे. व्हाट इज़ द गिफ्ट? व्हाट इज़ द गिफ्ट, है ना? तो इट प्रिया वॉज एक्साइटेड फॉर हर बर्थडे. सो EXCITED. What is the spelling of the excited? EXCITED. 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 Now second is grandmother. Grandmother. Break the spelling kids. Grandmother. Okay. GRANDMOTHER. 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 Beautiful. What is the spelling of the beautiful? Beautiful मतलब सुंदर, है ना? BEAUTIFUL. beautiful. Speak with me. beautiful. Beautiful. Here also you break the spelling beauty then full. Beautiful. Okay. Now material है ना, जैसे प्रिया का फ्रॉक के लिए कौन रेड फ्रॉक के लिए मटेरियल लेके आया था? हर ग्रैंडमदर बाउट अ रेड सिल्क मटीरियल. उसमें से क्या बनाया टेलर ने? फ्रॉक. सो दिस इज द मटीरियल. material. 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 This is invitation. We give a invitation to come. Priya give invitation to her friends to come on her birthday party. Invitation मतलब किसी को बुलाना हमारे घर पे, है ना, इनवाइट करते हैं ना. That's called invitation. Break the spelling. Invitation. ENVITATION. Invitation. This hard words is very important to write the question answers, fill up the blanks. Okay, तो this is hard words. अगर hard words नहीं आएंगे आपको तो question answers fill up करने में थोड़ा problem होगा. So learn these hard words. Okay kids. Invitation. ENINVITATION. Invitation. Streams. STREAM. Streams. जैसे बलून्स की स्ट्रिप्स होती है ना वो. STREAM. Streams. Here also you break the spelling. Stream. 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 Streams. Then balloons. This is the spelling of the balloon. BALLONS. Balloons. BALLONS. Balloons. Tablecloth. 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 TABLE. Table. Then cloth. Okay. Servant. What is the spelling of the servant? SERVANT. 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 Okay. Decorate. 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 Priya's room was decorated with balloons, streamers, flowers, coloring tablecloth, right? So what is the spelling of the decorate? DECORATE. Decorate. Eagerly. 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 Excited. Weeping. WEEPING. Weeping मतलब crying. WEEPING. प्रिया was weeping, है ना, वो रो रही थी. Understood. 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 First the spelling of the under. Break the spelling. Understood. UNDERSTOOD. Stood. Understood. Spoiled. 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 Priya's birthday was spoiled because she was late for everything. Everything was late. SPOILED. Spoiled. Then quickly. 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 Quickly means fast. QUICKLY. Quickly. Then candles. 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 What the Priya keep on the cake? Candles, है ना. She blow the candles. Sandwiches. What is in the her birthday? SANDWICHES. 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 Break the spelling and remember the spelling. WICHES. Witches. Sandwiches. Then pastries. What is the spelling of the pastries? Who likes the pastries? Yes, kids also like the pastries. 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 Speak with me. PAS. Pastries. TRES. Trees. Okay, so how many hard words are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 20 hard words are there. So you have to write 5 times and learn it. Okay kids, now this is the meaning of this word. In a story there are different meanings are here. As usual, so as usual means हम डेली जो वर्क करते हैं ना, एज यूजल who come to school as usual in uniform. Okay, so in the same way as what happens, in the same way मतलब जो चीज़ एक ही शेड्यूल में जाती है सेम. तो प्रिया एज यूजल लेट ही उठती थी, है ना. सो इन द सेम वे एज वॉट हैपन्स, जो होता है डेली वो. इन टाइम मीन्स नॉट लेट. इन टाइम मीन्स नॉट लेट. हर फ्रेंड्स कम इन टाइम. इन नेक्स्ट डे ऑन हर बर्थडे ऑल थिंग्स डन इन अ time to time. Okay, Priya wake up in time, her friends come in time, her father come in time, है ना. So her birthday was very nice. In time means not late. Eagerly, what is the meaning of the eagerly? In a very interested and excited manner, है ना. Priya eagerly waited for her friends to come in birthday party. She was eagerly मतलब एक्साइट होके अपने फ्रेंड्स की वेट कर रही थी. इन अ वेरी इंटरेस्टेड एंड अ एक्साइटेड मैनर्स. ओके. स्पॉइल्ड मतलब उसका बर्थडे, उसका ड्रीम में क्या आया था? व्हाट द प्रियाज ड्रीम वॉज स्पॉइल्ड, है ना. उसके वो लेट उठी, देन उसका फुल डे लेट हो गया. सो चेंज समथिंग हैप्पी into something unpleasant. Spoiled मतलब when you excited and your plan was spoiled. Something happy into something unpleasant. वो चेंज हो जाता है, हैप्पी में से अनहैप्पी जो हो जाता है, उसको क्या बोलेंगे हम? स्पॉइल्ड बोलेंगे. देन फ्रॉम टू डे. ओके, फ्रॉम today onwards. From today onwards मतलब continuing into the future. From today onwards Priya wake up early in the morning. So from today onwards means continuing into the future. Okay, so what was the Priya's dream? What was the Priya's bad habit? Priya's bad habit was wake up in the morning late. वो लेट उठती थी, है ना. ओके किड्स, सो राइट दिस हार्ड वर्ड्स एंड दिस मीनिंग्स लर्न कीजिए एंड दिस हार्ड वर्ड्स राइट कीजिए. ओके, सो वी हैव कंप्लीटेड दिस चैप्टर प्रियाज ड्रीम टुडे.